Make a great choice today with
the 2021 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.